So guys, I just wanted to say before we get into the main video, I want to say the first 2 or 3 clips of the video, I used my phone to kind of my phone camera to capture the my monitor screen. I forgot that I had a screen record on my laptop, so instead of me that, so I just use that one straight on the laptop with the camera. Then I'll just screen record. I forgot. So later in the video that I then did that. So the first 2 3 clips that I started trading, like it was a live trade that I did. We'll get into the video. So I just want to say maybe the first 2 3 clips may not look nice and you may think the video doesn't make sense. There's a lot of sense in the video. That's why I just want you to know what I did and what's in the video. So there's a lot in the video. I live traded my Atlas account. I passed it as usual. So just go and watch the video. But just know that the first 2 or 3 clips, I used my phone camera to kind of hold it and record the whole screen, the whole monitor screen. So maybe it kind of will not look nice like the other clips that I just screen recorded. So watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So guys, this is a live trade right now that I'm on UJ. So I'm currently buying UJ at the moment and just want to make it live and let's see how it goes. Whether it will hit TP, it's going to be a loss, it's going to be a break even. So right now I'm in and I entered the trade on my Atlas 5K account. On my personal account, the spread is way too much, so I cannot take it on my personal account. So I only took it on my Atlas account. So this is what it is. It's better not to take it than to enter with a very huge spread. So let's see how it goes. I'm just going to hold my phone live and hold it. Price is reacting from this week. Something like sweeping liquidity above this high. So it's just normal structure. Sweep, drop, then continue. So I'm just going to hold it live till whether TP, stop loss or whatever. So let's see. And we are also left with some minutes, about 30 minutes to 1 hour before we enter the New York session. But right now we're in the London session. This is my session. This blue has the London session, and we're left with some minutes to enter into the New York session. So let's see how it goes. If this trade should hit TP, then I think we will pass the account. Yes, if this trade hit TP, I think we will pass the account. But before it will hit TP, I need to just adjust my TP a little bit. About instead of 153, I'll adjust it to about 153.2 or 25 there about. Okay, at this place, if the trade hit TP, then we'll be passing the account, and that will be the second account that we'll be passing. So let's see how it goes. Right now it broke out of this level, so right now it's now giving us something like a double bottom. After it dropped, give it that high, it dropped with this week. It swept liquidity below here. After sweeping liquidity, price failed to break below this week. Everything was now above this week, meaning price swept liquidity, then giving us an inverse head and shoulder if you are using the wick. But if you are not using the wick and you have to use the body, this is like a double bottom or a triple bottom. As you can see, this is a very nice reversal pattern, and again price broke out of this neckline with a body. That's a very strong reason that buyers are stepping in, and let's just hold and see. I'm not going to leave it live, and let's see how the experience is. As you can see, price is dropping. But for the fact that price broke this high with a body, there are chances that this is going to be a weak rejection. But if it closes bearish, it doesn't matter. But for price breaking out of this level with a body, there's a very high chance that this bearish candle is going to weak. But we are not the market. The market can do whatever it wants. We are just following a system. And this UJ, the daily is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish, and the 1 or 2 is bullish. So that's why I'm just buying overall. Buying is a better way. Let's see.
I know I'm the motivation, watching me get money, I see why you hating. Roll up, getting elevated, should be PRE, how I'm paper chasing. I do what I want, I'm him and I'm knowing. I do what you can't do it like me. I've been going in, been going crazy, going hard in the paint. Big bands, all those.
Let's continue the video. As you can see, the trade is already in profit. Right now, my hotspot, my data is not yet connected to the laptop, but if I connect to refresh, it will refresh whether it's in drawdown again or it's still in profit. But I left the chart to go and buy some stuff. So when I left, I forgot that my phone was low battery. Before I came back, I came to find my phone being off and everything disconnected. So right now that I just connected and I saw that the trade was already in profit. And let me just connect my data, then we'll put an alert at where we are going to break even so that we see how the trade is going. But right now my data is not connected, guys. Right now my data is connected and this is how the trade is looking like. I like how price is moving. Because I forgot my phone was low battery, when I left and came back, the phone was off and everything was disconnected. But right now I'm back. Let's hold the trade and see how it is. Though my target is very far, that's about 1:3.6. If we hit 1:3, I'll manage it manually to see if price is going to reverse. Then I'll just close my trade. Because 1:3 is my target. But after 1:3, I'm left with about $20 to pass the account. That's why I just extend my TP to that high. So take the risks and manage it. If it reaches, fine. If it doesn't reach and it tries to reverse, then we manually close it. So let's see how it goes. If price should close above this high, this black line with momentum, like with full body candle, not a weak, the chances that price is going to shoot to the upside once New York session lands. So we're left with some 30 minutes to New York session. Let's see how it is. We're holding it live and doing it live. So guys, right now let me connect my data. Let's see how it is, because I got an alert that it has reached this level. So let me just connect my data and we see if it reaches 1:2, then we'll go and break even. If it doesn't, then we just wait a little, because 1:2 I break even. Though I don't have like a reasonable data why I'm breaking even at always 1:2, but you can see where price is. So let me go to my MT5 and see if I can break even. This trade should just play out, then call it a day. I don't know why it's just, but my target is better. I'm not going to that. So it has hit 1:2. We'll just wait for this candle to close. Let's wait for this candle to close. On my screen recorder. Let's see how the next candle closes. Price is not looking good. Price is exhausted. Price doesn't want to continue to the upside, but it's not even up to my 1:3 yet. So that's the problem. It's not up to my 1:3 yet. So let's see. I feel like this particular candy can close above this week. Looking at what I'm seeing and what I've seen before, this particular candy can close above this week. But sure, it's just what I'm seeing or what I've seen before. So let's see how it goes. But since the market is still between, my TP is very high. I'm not gonna lie. My TP is very high. This is even my second entry. My first entry, I didn't know why I made that on my first entry. My first entry should have been here. Should have been here. Yes. This should have been my first entry. But still, right now we would have break even, but it wouldn't have paid TP. So price is dropping. We are not going anywhere. We are watching to see what price is going to do. I feel like the market can crash from this moment. Yes, that's what I see. The market can crash. Can just boom to our stop loss. You can't see much. This is just price moving up and down. Our own is just to do our thing. Let it also do its thing. We do our own, then the market also does its own. We cannot do our own and do for the market. It's not possible. So in case maybe I will be leaving the chart, so let me put an alert around this high. In case I will be leaving this chart, then I'll be notified. Let's see. Right now we are into New York session, so let me change the session to New York. From London to New York. So right now we're in New York session. So let's see how this 5-minute candle is going to close. So guys, look at how this week has formed. Look at how 1, 2, 3, all of them are weak, not even a single body. So wherever price breaks, that's where the market is going to go. Very sure. I don't know why. If the market breaks out of this week, there are chances that price will go to a TP. But if it also breaks below this week, there are also chances that price can, the trade, chop our SL. So it depends. Looking at that high and this low, for this 1, 2, 3 week. These weeks are very beautiful. Oh my god. So let's see. So guys, that candle to just close as a week. Nobody, nothing. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4 candles that just close without a single body, just weeks. Oh, I love this decoration. Let's see what price is going to do. So guys, look at what just happened. Price just smashed that high that I said. If I break it, there's high chance of we hitting TP. I just smashed it with the body, and right now I think we can break even. This trade is really stressing me. I'm not going to lie. It's really stressing me. Once I break even, bro, I'm off. It's either I'm going to sleep or I'll just back test. The trade should do whatever it wants. Should do whatever it wants. But right now I'm at break even. I'm tired. I've been sitting here watching this market move up and down, up and down. So guys, listen to the sound. That's it. I just broke even. I just hit my break even. So let me put an alert at my TP. So once I just get an alert on my TP, I know that the account is passed. I know that the account is passed. So alert set here. Let me screenshot it. Let me download the image in case I'm going to practice. So yeah. We are now left about TP will pass. TP will pass the account. So let's see. I'll keep you updated. But right now, I'm leaving the chat to go do something. In case I get an alert, I'll come back to the chat and update you. I just got an alert from TradingView right now. Like I said, before this clip, I kept an alert at my TP and I just got an alert right now. So I think the trade has smashed TP. So let's go and check. If I say TP, that means we have passed and we are now on our way to a second funded account. So let's go and check out the trade. Let's see. So let's check it out. Guys, let me connect my data and let's see how. Already I said if price should break out of this week, then there are high chance that we are going to smash TP. And I went to take my bath. I just came on my data and got the alert. So right now, let's check whether it has hit TP, then we pass the account. Then I'll show you on my Atlas funded account all the two accounts. All the two accounts right now. That means I just need to just pay the amount and I'm funded with 2 5K accounts. Oh my god, it's crazy. Let me connect this data first, then we can talk about that one later. The feeling is just some way. Let me play some music because right now it's connected. Play some music. So guys, that's my TP way, even going to the upside. So look at the trade. Just follow the plan, bro. Just follow the plan, nigga. Not trying to be overconfident and lose these accounts. But the accounts, if I don't pay the money, the 30 days, they are all gone. The 30 days, they are all gone. Let me play some music. Fixes. Music. So we just pass the account and let me take it to my Atlas funded account. Let's see the two accounts. So I think I just got an email. Yes, from Atlas. They said they are reviewing my phase one is the review is pending. So account under review. Your account is currently being reviewed. Your account is currently being reviewed before we can proceed to the next step. So that's an email from them. The next step will be for me to pay and get my funded login. So let me show you their dashboard. I don't know. I used to use my own PC. This PC is my brother's own. I don't know whether the Google account is here. Not here. I need to log in, and I don't like that. Let me show you the dashboards. Let me take you to my dashboard and show you. Log in. Look at the trade menu. One thing that just paining me is the fact that I've not been able to take yesterday trade. Yesterday trade, I took it on my personal account and the trade just stopped. me out like just 1 pp. So because of that, yesterday on my Atlas Funded account, it was a win. I was out of drawdown, and today the next win I passed the phase. But on my main account yesterday, which I've been trying to grow, meaning the account was $300, meaning yesterday trade would have made it 600 and today would have made it 900. But yesterday trade just tapped me out by just a week. It's also because on my own personal account, the spread is also the problem, but because on the profile account, the spread are tighter than the personal account. It's only good that the personal account they are too tight, but other pairs, yeah. I don't know. UJ2 used to have tight spread, but I don't know why UJ2 is just having. Well, this trade I didn't take it on my personal account because of the spread. The spread was way too much. Just 2 pips against you and you are out. I just find that I didn't take it, but I'm not happy because these accounts would have been grown together yesterday. Papa on both accounts, today Papa on both accounts, but this account that I don't even have the money to pay for. That's the account that I'm passing, but my own personal account is just there. So if I say I'm happy that I see that the strategy is working. I'm not happy for my personal account. I'm not happy. So let me screenshot it and send it to my other laptop, my own, so that in case I'm going to journal, it won't be hard. So let me take it here. Let's log in. Okay, my details are here. Let's log in. Log in successfully. So as you can see, I have 2 accounts with them. This was the first one that I passed. Why is the balance 187? It's supposed to be 200 and something because the initial balance was, let me check. They're trying to tell me that the initial balance was $5,030. And this one I went for a TP about $170. So it should hit, not to be 170 something. Let me refresh on my MT5 because I don't understand. I'm just not happy that I couldn't take the trace on my personal account. I'm just because if it didn't hit, they are doing live verification. I already did live verification for this account. It means why should I do another live verification account? It is what it is. I'm not just happy for my main account. My main account yesterday, I just lost the trade and the price went in my direction like mad. In the direction like mad. I'm trying to log in on my Atlas Funded account, but it's not logging in. Maybe because they logged me out because the face is passed. Because if the face was not passed, there's no way they'll send me an email that they are reviewing my account. As well now, let me go to there. Let me view the dashboard. This was the second account that I just passed. View the dashboard. I don't know why. As you can see, I passed the trade. Passed the trade with the 50% win rate because I took 4 trades, 2 wins, 2 losses. So guys, I think the account has been passed because target there's no balance again. There's no balance again. Target balance 3%. Like I'm not understanding what because this was today balance, today's starting balance. I was up $35. It was not even up to 1%. Then I made about, I don't know why my MT5 has not been able to log in. I made about almost three to $170 there. That was my TP. But the account, I don't know how they are doing the calculations. But right now it's live verification. After that one, you get the funded details then. You see 25K accounts all funded on salaries.